Are you looking for a easy, quick knitting project? Let's make this trivet together. Hi, this is Ari from Palmieri Arts and Crafts. Last week, I introduced this mason jar cover as a quick summer project. Today, I have much quicker project using macrame cord. This trivet is super easy and beginner friendly. All you need to know is how to cast on, knit, purl, slip, which I will show you in this video, and bind off. And I will also show you how to make this nice, neat edge. To make this trivet, I will be using Bobini 5mm premium cord for this pattern. This cord is braided, so it doesn't split while knitting, and it creates a nice texture to the trivet. If you are using a different cord, please make sure it is 100% cotton or other fibers which can tolerate the heat. I will be using colorway sand, but I just realized they have released limited edition pastel colors, which make it even better as a summer project. I will be using a US size 15 10mm knitting needles, circular or straight, whichever you prefer, and as always, scissors and a tapestry needle. Since the cord is quite thick, I will be using a large eye needle. At the end of this video, I will be showing a tip how to weave in the end when you are working with a braided macrame cord. If you like this video so far, please hit like and subscribe for future pattern update. We are going to use simple long tail cast on for this pattern, so go ahead and cast on 19 stitches. Then turn the work, and we are going to work on the first row. And here is a tip to make the cleaner edges. We are going to slip both ends of this row, and then on the next row we are going to purl both ends. Rest of them are going to be knit stitches. So first stitch we are going to slip knitwise. And then keep knitting. So we came to the last stitch, we are going to slip as if to knit. Okay, now we are going to turn the work, and like I said, first stitch and the last stitch we are going to purl. So we are going to purl this stitch, and then knit all the stitches. Now we are at the end, we are going to purl this stitch. There you go. Then turn the work again, and we are going to repeat row 1 and row 2 17 more times, and then bind off. I will be using the simple bind off for this pattern and going to weave in the end. So let me show you the tip how to weave this in. By the way, if you ended up making this pattern, please share your beautiful project on Ravelry or social media. If you have any question about the pattern, head to my Facebook or Ravelry group page. I will try to answer as quick as possible. Back to weaving in. The core is very sturdy and thick. So how do we weave this in? What we can do here is to pull the core just like this and keep pulling, and then cut it off. Now we have a thinner cord and it is flat, which can fit in the eye of the needle, and then simply weave this end in. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye!